Kaunti ya Kisii na kaunti ya Nyamira nigaba sokiri na kwegerera etaro yanya kwa gukorwa guchia as chinsa ya Kericho ilikonya akaba kumira na amono mujumbo mukoro bwe bunge ya Kitoto Masaba yubo igole omugachi bwe kyama ODM omoske Timothy Bosire kolengana barubu etare yoti yarenge iyo kwegerera gosegosege tonde bwenzi kurendi nigo yarenge neganga yakwaneka na Abagusii ngongusiraramu
okogenda gwaito Kericho eso mosike Bosire aturangeretie tutoketi ko support yonde nga tu support yonde tuwagende tamo buno Abagusii ochamo buno Abagusii nande kine yentu taibano ya chaka okorekana ngia korekanete none kere mwaka nyikaringi moyo igo tigato babe buno Abagusii tobeke birenge bibye itamo torare na itungi tubwenerete go okora ke ebe siasa ebo magenderero ebe buna tubwenete komenya na nchirindi.
It's therefore absurd for anyone to insinuate that the various groups of leaders and representatives of organizations attended because of the use of the name of Honorable Matiani. If anything, the coming together was to solidify the base for the son of the soil in his quest for the presidency. And those present support the idea. Honorable Bosire seized the opportunity and led the process as indicated in the series of talks. Otherwise, he has no objection to being led as long as the call is Abagusii first.
Bono nentu tuiranirenka etutagete koberanka tukwane gintu gitu keratokonye igegentu tugosaba abantu baminda Abagusii gaki mwensi pa magara inchwamo turangeri gochibuo toche turagire turangeri yonde nero tutagete turangeri gochibuo toche turagire no ninje ntware mangana iga nabongo barangeri moje mbate binintagete ko bagento gete tigatueba mangana ajo konya gochimbana tobe buronge no ani ntubono iga no ani president yeturangeri naho tuguika atotebye binta atagete lakini amanye nangwe panga tole tumanye na mangana yanga kyakoba
Chingagije chyo abasaba kabake gosaba saya bake nigo baboligwe gosika abarai bali bare ABC nabayigo bali